Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn out here. Our dawn rose is blooming, and it's getting quite a few buds on it. Looks really, really pretty. It's got 1, 2, 3, and a bunch of little tiny buds. And the dawn rose smells really, really good. It has a really fragrant smell. It's one of my favorite roses. And the sun is coming out and it looks really, really pretty today. I'll zoom in on one of the prettier buds, but I just looked out on my back porch and saw it was blooming and looked so pretty. The dawn rose is pink rose with a darker pink inside when it opens too. But we got it up here on our trellis. Thought y'all would enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all.